Aloha, Internet people. Thank you once again for joining me. Some days, you head out with a plan. Other days, you just grab the drone, meet up with a good friend, and see what the ocean has in store. This flight took place near Honokōhau Harbor in Kailua-Kona on a beautiful Friday afternoon, with blue skies overhead, crystal clear water below, and calm conditions all around. We spent the day following boats returning home after their time on the ocean. One of the highlights was capturing the Atlantis submarine as it made its way back toward the harbor. Watching it glide across the deep blue water from above was something I couldn't pass up. Sometimes the best flights aren't about chasing a specific shot. They're about enjoying the moment and appreciating the beauty that's right in front of you. So without further ado, let's get this video rolling. Cause you know, it's always Ono.